Hey, sometimes when you're using Landstar connected by Wi-Fi to a receiver using a network like a CORS network, you're going to be using, if you have an I-89 or an I-93 without a SIM card, you're going to be using the data connection on your PDA, your mobile device. But for whatever reason, the PDA doesn't look at the head and say there's no internet. I'm going to use the SIM card. This is how you can make it happen, force it to happen. Click on Config, and then go to Connect to Instruments, and click on Disconnect.
Ntrip logout.
Okay. Now I'm going to drag down and go to Wi-Fi. And I'm going to uncheck the auto reconnect on the receiver, which disconnects the receiver from the PDA. I'm going to go back to the main menu and go to Chrome, and I'm going to browse to a website. And if it does browse to the website, since we're not connected to Wi-Fi, we have to be using the SIM card that's in the PDA. Back in Landstar, I'm going to go to Instrument Profile, and I'm going to pick and accept the CORS profile. Click on Connect.
Successfully connected. Ntrip log fixed.
So
Receiving correction data. Ntrip login successful. Receiving correction data.
usually when you do this, it fixes whatever the problem is, and it works forever into the future. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.